Cari crew. As y'all can see, the first thing we see is a electric Mustang. Ooh. But yeah, y'all see we got an Audi in front of it though. Oh yeah. But yeah, man. Oh, let's see what that Audi talking about. Oh. Let's see what the Audi talking about. That bitch ready. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. We starting the video all right. Hold on, cuz. What the Audi trying to do, cuz? What that Audi trying to do, cuz? Dang, police flashing lights on folks. Bro said, get out the way. I ain't even finna play with him. Cuz flashing lights on bro to get out the way. Let me go ahead and get back behind, bro. I don't know who that is. I know that's them folk though. I know I seen something blue. I know I saw something blue. Cuz got off the exit immediately. I can't stand when police do that, bro. The police do that to y'all, like when they be behind you, they flash their blue lights to get you to move out the way instead of flashing their high beams or something. That boys ain't never had nobody do that. I don't know. Started the video off a little wicked. I want to slide around this so bad, bro. But anyway, man, what's good, YouTube? You know what I'm saying? I got tongue twisted. What's going on, YouTube, man? Welcome back to another POV from your boy Cari Beats. You know what I'm saying? Tunnel action. But yeah, man, anyway, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all boy, show love, man. On the road to 20K. Get your boy to 20K the quick way. Oh, man. But yeah, man, nice little cloudy, as y'all can see, cloudy. POV drive, man, in the beautiful Olivia. As y'all can see, we riding in that Olivia thing, man. But yeah. Hey, do y'all boy watch Coulda Been House with Drewski? Bro, the people on the contestants on there are so funny though, bro. I know y'all know about a dude. I know y'all know about bro that be saying like he put ER after everything he say, bro. I think it ain't C Nova. He be like all right, or we gotta do better. That jump be so funny, bro. That jump be having me weak. I had just watched the last episode. That bit was funny, bro. That boy Glock 30. Oh, them boy funny. Oh, them boy funny, man. But yeah, man, this is a little POV drive. I ain't really got too much, you know what I'm saying, to really do for y'all, like what kind of video this actually gonna be. I just brother rolled past me in the RT and hit the gas. Hit the oh boy, I know what that is. I seen it phase a little bit. Man. Anyway, I forgot what I was talking about. Look at that fit. I forgot what I was talking about. But what? Hey, would y'all like POVs like this? I know y'all ain't hearing nothing. But y'all both want a POV like that. Y'all want me, if I had a sunroof, I'd put my hand, you know what I'm saying, on top. Or do y'all want a POV like this? Y'all think I should get a camera? A little camera holder and just have that bit like that. Y'all rocking with it, cuz? Y'all let me know. It should be pretty straight angle. Y'all can see everything. I don't know, y'all let me know, man. If we need a new camera angle. Stick 'em. Stick 'em. Stick 'em. Stick. 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 Whoa, man. That's a little fun, man. Not too crazy. A little fun, man. Not too crazy. Woohoo. Yeah, I hear them pops. But yeah, man, it's just, I don't know what kind of POV. I don't even know what the title of the video. Just know we POVing, you feel me? Just know we POVing, brother. Ooh. Olivia a little sassy today. Ooh. I don't know y'all hear them pops. Olivia a little sassy today, cuz. Got my way, Mustang. What you hitting the brake for, boy? Tighten up, boy. Tighten up, boy. Come on, man. The little Alexis. If I can hear my echo, and that'd be like the lightest bulls. Oh, brother, this guy stinks. But yeah, man, I ain't really got too much to say to y'all, boy. I don't got no yapping going on. Or no question to ask. I just be one of y'all boys to show love, comment. You know what I'm saying? What y'all want to see better. Or what y'all just want to see. Or what could be better for y'all to keep tuning in. You know what I'm saying? I done did drifting every turn till I can't drift a turn no more. You know what I'm saying? And y'all ain't even really been rocking with them too much like y'all used to. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be hearing them pops, bro. Olivia 101. Olivia 101, cuz. Stick 'em. You know what I'm saying? Something slight, man. Not too crazy. This gonna be a little short video, man. I ain't gonna lie. I'll give y'all boy 1 or 2 more pulls. I ain't trying to make the video that short. I ain't realize the video ain't even going on that long, boy. You riding the scat, boy, time get cut in half. You get so far ahead, you be like, damn, it only been 7 minutes. We just did like 10 minutes worth of traveling. And it's only 7 minutes, bro. Yeah, man, not too crazy, man. But y'all just one of y'all boys let me know, man, like what y'all want to see, cuz. Man, come on, go, bro. You the first one. I should have to stop harder just for you to go. You been sitting at the sign for that long, bro. You the first person at the sign, bro. How folks don't know how the four-way work? I think I need to go to the hood, man. Cause it sounds great in the hood to me. But yeah, like, you know what I'm saying? What kind of video y'all boy want me to see? Or where y'all want me to drive it? You know what I'm saying? Y'all know these POV, like, where y'all want me to drive it? Rich neighborhoods, the hood, or, you know what I'm saying? Downtown. Downtown kind of fed, I ain't gonna lie. But, you know what I'm saying? Certain area where, you know, like, cause my car loud, cuz. Folk gonna hit. You know what I'm saying? What that? Folk gonna hit, huh? You know what I'm saying? Folk gonna hit that thing, huh? I know y'all, boy, that's what y'all love. Y'all love for somebody to disturb the peace. I ain't disturbing peace, but you know, I'm just doing me. But yeah, man, that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. I'm gonna give y'all boy one more pull. You know what I'm saying? One more nice little pull. Oh, hold and roll. But yeah, man. Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. Like I always say, you know what I'm saying? But appreciate all y'all that be watching. You know what I'm saying? All y'all support never goes unappreciated. Make sure y'all boys again hit that like button. Follow my religious folk, keep God first, keep him in the mix. And y'all boys stay prayed up, man. Stay safe out here in these streets. And like I said in the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.